not getting out. So I came to Barnes & Noble to get a coffee and a book, but it started raining. It's been sunshine all morning, and it just like started pouring down out of nowhere. I'm a little sleepy, y'all. I'm be honest with you. I'm a little sleepy, a little tired. I was off tonight. I was off for it last night and tonight. I go back Tuesday, so today is Saturday. So tonight, tomorrow, and Monday night, I'm just gonna be probably reading books and doing some planning for my business. I got some sets that's about to drop, not this week but next week. So like I'm taking a few days to like just focus and relax and stuff, get my mind together, because after next week, like it's really go time. I got so much I got to do in my business, and I got it's just time to really work. It's time to really grind hard, and it's time to go in. So yep, really not doing too much today. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for this rain to stop so I can just go in and get me a frappuccino, and that's all I'm doing today. But I just want to come in here and see what y'all doing. Comment what y'all doing. What's some of y'all goals for next week? What's some things y'all trying to scratch off y'all list for next week? I know I can't be the only one trying to be productive and trying to succeed out here. So let me know what y'all goals are. Let me know what y'all doing. I got a clothing brand. It's called Preview Collection. For those of you that don't know. But yeah, this is it though. I probably just go back to the house after this. I just want to get out for a little bit, get me some coffee and read a book. And mental health, feed your mind, feed your thoughts, positive things. And that's what I've been doing, just getting knowledge and wisdom and implementing it in my life. So make sure y'all do the same. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Love y'all.